Hey guys, today I am demonstrating hammock diffusing for you. I already have my diffuser on high speed, high heat as I typically do when I hover, and I'm not terribly concerned about damage given the distance that I'm standing from the diffuser. Now I'm going to use my cotton t-shirt plopping towel for this. It's great to use a plopping towel like this because it creates a nice hammock. I also prefer cotton over microfiber, but that's a personal preference. Microfiber works just as well. Now I'm going to open up this hammock toward the diffuser. My hair has fallen into the towel as it wants to fall. I'm hitting my roots first to help add volume and lift at the root and take away the weight of the strand so as to fight gravity. By removing that added weight from the hair, the root has more of an opportunity to curl up. Now I'm moving the towel down slowly as my hair dries to hit the upper section, the middle section, and then eventually the lower section. The warmth of the air is also warming the towel to encourage the drying and speed up drying time. Now I'm not disturbing the clump, rather I'm encouraging the shape of the curl to hold by resting my hair into the towel. This also assists in reducing frizz since my hands aren't constantly in my hair touching my strands and moving them around. You all have probably seen me do something similar to this before, but without the towel. I've lovingly been calling this rotisserie diffusing because, well, I kind of look like a rotisserie chicken, rotating my head back and forth in front of the diffuser. Either way, this is a great way to get your hands free to help assist in the curl and the drying of your hair. And honestly, it gives your arms a bit of a break from holding such a heavy diffuser. Now, as you finish doing this, you're welcome to pick up the diffuser and pixie diffuse to hit any spots that you feel you might have missed or any spots that maybe are a different porosity and take a little bit longer to dry. For this demonstration, I'm purely showing you that the ends have curled up nicely, the clumps have held together, and there is very, very minimal frizz from my lack of touching it. All right, you guys, I'm done diffusing. I am 100% dry. I actually was having a hard time deciding if I was 100% dry, even with this finger test, because of how rock hard my cast is right now. But I want to show you what a difference this is making. Look at my roots. Look at the curl that's happening that high up on my hair. And I don't normally even have any curl going on my roots the way that I used to diffuse. So, I'm gonna break this cast and let's see what it looks like. So I'm not gonna use a styler to break my cast like I have been doing. I'm going to use my Righteous Roots oil. And just a few drops of it does the trick, usually about 3. And then I'm going to praying hands and then scrunch. The praying hands is gonna help some of these thinner, more stubborn clumps that are in a rock hard cast break. And then the scrunching should help get out the rest of it. Okay, now I'm gonna use my fingertips and I'm gonna just ruffle my roots a little bit. I was scrunching quite a bit today. I got a bit of product a little closer to my roots than I normally do, so I'm really gonna kind of wiggle it out. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just kind of tug just to give a little extra lift to make sure that my roots aren't sticking to my scalp. Let's see where this wants to fall. In the middle. All right, you guys, mega definition, a lot of shine, a lot of nice curls. This actually feels like it might still be a little bit wet. That's okay. Look at how nice that is. Okay, as always, I'm going to let this settle and figure out where it wants to fall. I usually do that for, I guess, as long as it wants to take, about 10 to 15 minutes normally. So I'm not gonna stand in front of the camera for 10 to 15 minutes while that happens. So I'm going to let this settle and then I'll come back and we'll see what the final result looks like. All right, thanks guys. Okay, actually coming back on real quick. I'm about 5 minutes into letting my hair settle. Again, just letting it fall where it wants to fall, see where my hair wants to sit. And I just wanna show you guys how much curlier this whole section is. My top layer does curl better than my bottom, but I am getting some curls down here still. that's new, welcome to the party. Right through here, all through here. Yeah, so it helps to not shove your hands in your hair when you're diffusing it. So again, I'm gonna let this finish settling and then I'll come back. All right, you guys, this is it. My hair is settled. It's happy. I'm happy. I wanted to show it to you just real quickly as my kids are waking up. This is the end result. So my hair is shinier, it is clumpier, it is curlier. Look at this barrel curl. It goes all the way up to my root, which you guys know, normally my roots are a little bit more flat, which I like. It's way more definition than I normally achieve. It's still very soft. I did not change my products at all for this. It was just the diffusing technique that's changed. So this was used with the Ecoslay Orange Marmalade Gel, the Bouncecurl Clump and Define Cream as my stylers, and then my Innersense for my shampoo and condition. So yeah, that's it. I'm pleased. So you guys, give this diffusing technique a try if you're interested. I would love to see your results. Please keep tagging me in your posts. I'd love to see before and afters, or just afters, or thoughts on how this has worked for you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks guys.